Check this guy out. Vlogging at the airport. Vlogs at an airport. Seriously. What's up, YouTube? Today is going to be an awesome day because we've got a lot to do, but it's all really cool. First, we're headed to the airport. We're going to give a seminar at the local 99's chapter. They're doing a flying companion seminar, so we're going to give about a half-hour talk on air traffic control for people who are afraid to talk on a microphone, and then we're going to go fly, and then we're going to go work the normal shift. But first things first.
Well, I'm trying to get Kathy to
Good luck with that. So I'll come back in about 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Children, and I like to sleep at home at night, so that's that. But I also am a flight instructor on the side and a couple other things too. So aviation is obviously my entire life. Now, when it comes to this air traffic thing, it's always a huge. Some people are stoked to talk on the radio, right? Some people want to hear it. All right, cool. 99 seminar done. Let's grab some lunch and go fly. Act 1 is done. 99 seminar done. Lunch and non and curry done. Now we're gonna head over and fly.